Subscribe to Android Discovery channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Oukitel has officially launched its first 5G rugged smartphone WP10. It is one of the many 5G phones Oukitel plans to release. Along with this introduction, the company also conducted a survey about 5G rugged phones on its website, the topic of interest being, if you want to buy 5G phones, which feature is important to you? To which, the people responded with battery as their primary need. Now, it is a known fact that Oukitel develops its own batteries. They have used this supremacy to establish dominance over the competing brands with its compelling launch strategy. WP10 is introduced with the slogan King Battery, which precisely justifies the powerful 8000 mAh battery that it features. With this capacity, the company guarantees up to 48 hours of active use to its consumers. This attribute is especially striking as the device has a 5G connection that is known to consume more power than the other carriers. Apart from the battery, this phone also boasts decent specifications. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 800 with a 7nm processor that is designed to support high internet speed. To prove this point, the company did a comparison test with 4G phones, which resulted in WP10 5G having 100 times faster download speed. The 5G download and upload speed are expected to be up to 2.3 Gbps and 2.5 Gbps. It will allow the user to download an HD movie within a few seconds. With a high-speed 5G connection, this device aims to offer uninterrupted online gaming and 4K video streaming, among other things. WP10 features a 6.67-inch in-cell hole punch FHD Plus display, one of the largest displays on a smartphone. Its high resolution guarantees an immersive gaming and content viewing experience. This Oukitel flagship comes with a quad-rear camera consisting of a Sony 48MP primary lens, 13MP wide lens, 2MP depth lens and 2MP macro lens to help click sharp pictures. WP10 has an IP68 and IP69K rating and MIL-STD_810G certification. It is water resistant up to a depth of 1.5 meters and can withstand a drop from a height of 1.5 meters. Additionally, it is also shock and dust resistant to offer enhanced durability. Since 5G phones are a comparatively new introduction to the market, they are expected to have a considerably high price. As for now, Oukitel hasn't revealed the price of WP10, but one can expect it to have an affordable price. Adding more fun to this anticipation game, Oukitel has already introduced free giveaways for 10 lucky people. They will be recruited by the company to test the phone for a trial run, so friends, expected. If you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.